Why is it that in Japan, a country filled with delicious ramen, mouth-watering tempura, creamy matcha desserts, and irresistible rice bowls, people rarely seem to gain weight? You walk through the streets of Tokyo or Kyoto and notice something almost shocking. Hardly anyone is overweight. While much of the world battles rising obesity rates, Japan stands apart: lean, active, and remarkably healthy. Is it luck? Genetics? Or a set of cultural habits so powerful they quietly keep an entire nation slim without even trying? Let's uncover the truth behind one of the world's healthiest societies and the surprising lifestyle secrets that make Japanese people rarely gain weight. In a world where fast food chains dominate cities and portion sizes keep growing, Japan has somehow resisted the global obesity epidemic. While countries like the US, UK, and even parts of Asia struggle with weight-related diseases, Japan's obesity rate remains around 4%, one of the lowest in the developed world. This isn't just about calories or exercise. It's a reflection of culture, a philosophy that blends discipline, mindfulness, and respect for balance. From the way meals are prepared, served, and eaten, to the way life itself is structured, Japan has built an environment that naturally keeps people fit. But make no mistake, this isn't about dieting or restriction. It's about a way of life that celebrates food, yet keeps it in harmony with the body. Let's explore powerful reasons why Japanese people rarely gain weight, and what the rest of the world can learn from them. 1. The culture of portion control. In Japan, food isn't about eating until you're full. It's about satisfaction without excess. Meals are served in small, beautifully arranged dishes. Each portion is modest, but together, they form a complete, nourishing meal. The Japanese saying Hara Hachi Bu means eat until you're 80% full. It's an old Okinawan principle that teaches restraint, encouraging people to stop eating before they feel stuffed. This simple habit reduces calorie intake without conscious dieting, allowing the body to maintain balance naturally. It's not deprivation, it's discipline disguised as elegance. 2. Presentation slows you down. Every meal in Japan is designed to be appreciated visually before it's eaten. The colorful bento boxes, neatly sliced vegetables, the careful arrangement of sushi, it all invites mindfulness. When food is served in multiple small plates, you eat slower. You appreciate textures, colors, aromas. This slower pace gives your body time to signal fullness, preventing overeating long before your stomach screams, "Stop." In contrast, many Western meals are piled high on a single plate, eaten quickly and distractedly. In Japan, the ritual of eating is the diet. 3. A diet rich in fish and vegetables. At the heart of Japanese cuisine lies balance and the ocean. Fish provides lean protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and vital nutrients without the heavy fats of red meat. Vegetables like daikon, spinach, burdock root, and seaweed fill plates daily, not as side dishes, but as main stars. Seaweed alone contains minerals that aid digestion and regulate metabolism. When your diet emphasizes fresh, low-fat, nutrient-rich foods, your body stays lean by default, not by force. 4. Rice over bread. Rice, especially in its plain steamed form, remains Japan's carbohydrate of choice. Unlike bread loaded with butter, sugar, and additives, rice provides clean energy with minimal fat. It pairs perfectly with vegetables and fish, allowing for variety without unnecessary calories. And most importantly, rice encourages smaller bites and slower eating, reinforcing that mindful rhythm. 5. Green tea, not sugary drinks. In Japan, you'll rarely see people walking around with giant cups of soda or sweetened coffee. Instead, it's tea, especially green tea, that dominates daily life. Green tea contains catechins, natural compounds that boost metabolism and burn fat. It's also enjoyed unsweetened, keeping sugar intake low. Tea isn't just a drink, it's a calming ritual, offering a quiet pause in a fast world. And that daily habit, multiplied by millions, becomes a nationwide advantage. 6. Active lifestyle by design. In Japan, staying active doesn't always mean going to the gym. Movement is built into the rhythm of life. Walking to the train, standing during commutes, climbing stairs, cycling to the store. Cities are compact, streets are pedestrian-friendly, and public transport encourages walking. These daily, low-intensity movements add up to thousands of steps without a single workout session. It's not exercise. It's existence, designed for health. 7. Fermented foods and gut health. Japan has long understood what modern science now confirms. Gut health affects everything. Fermented foods like miso, natto, and pickled vegetables supply beneficial bacteria that improve digestion and nutrient absorption. When your gut works efficiently, your metabolism stays high and inflammation stays low. Two key factors in maintaining a healthy weight. It's not a diet trend. It's ancient wisdom still practiced daily. 8. Eating is a ritual, not a rush. You won't find many people eating while walking down the street in Japan. Meals are taken seriously, sitting down, at a table, with attention. This mindful approach to eating reduces mindless snacking and overeating. It's a habit rooted in respect for the food, the effort that made it, and the people sharing it. When you eat with awareness, your body naturally regulates how much it needs. 9. Limited snacking culture. In Japan, snacks are enjoyed, but not constantly. Convenience stores offer small, individually wrapped portions. People may enjoy a mochi or rice cracker, but it's a treat, not a reflex. This restraint contrasts with the snack everywhere culture seen elsewhere. In Japan, the absence of constant grazing keeps insulin levels stable, preventing the body from storing unnecessary fat. 10. Social expectations and body awareness. Cultural expectations play a subtle role. In Japan, cleanliness, discipline, and presentation are social values, and that extends to body image. It's not about perfection, it's about respect. Maintaining a healthy body is seen as part of taking care of oneself and the community. This awareness fosters accountability without shame, a collective motivation to stay well. 11. Minimal processed food. Though modern Japan has its share of fast food, traditional meals still dominate. Most homes cook from scratch using whole ingredients: vegetables, fish, rice, tofu. Additives, artificial sugars, and preservatives are limited. The less processed your food, the less energy dense it becomes, and the harder it is to overeat without realizing it. 12. Home cooking is still a norm. Despite long working hours, home-cooked meals remain deeply valued. Many people bring homemade lunches, bento boxes, carefully portioned and balanced. Cooking at home means control over ingredients, salt, oil, and serving size. It's a quiet act of care that shapes both physical and emotional well-being. 13. Discipline rooted in culture. Japanese culture thrives on order, respect, and precision, from calligraphy to cuisine. This discipline translates naturally into food habits. People are taught from childhood to finish what's on their plate, but never to take more than they can eat. That respect for balance, in food, in life, in everything, is the silent guardian of health. 14. Seasonal eating philosophy. Japan embraces the seasons through its food. In spring, bamboo shoots and cherry blossoms. In autumn, chestnuts and mushrooms. Eating seasonally ensures variety, freshness, and nutrient density. It also keeps meals exciting, reducing the craving for processed junk. The body thrives on what nature offers in its right time. 15. Walking culture and public transport. Cars exist, but walking reigns supreme. From schoolchildren to seniors, walking is simply a part of life. Most people walk several thousand steps a day without effort, not to lose weight, but to get from one place to another. This invisible exercise keeps metabolisms humming all day long. 16. Small plates, big variety. A Japanese meal might include rice, miso soup, grilled fish, pickles, salad, and tea, all in small servings. Variety prevents overeating because no single food dominates the meal. This diversity ensures satisfaction through flavor and texture, without excess calories. 17. Stress management and community. Stress contributes heavily to weight gain. Japan, despite its demanding work culture, maintains strong social ties through family meals, festivals, and shared traditions. Simple acts like soaking in an onsen, hot spring, or sharing tea with friends offer release from daily tension. When stress is managed, emotional eating fades. 18. Quality sleep and routine. The Japanese daily rhythm values routine. Set meal times, consistent bedtimes, and structured schedules keep hormones like cortisol and insulin balanced. This stability supports better digestion and weight control. Health in Japan isn't random, it's routine. 19. Genetics and early habits. While genes play a small role, early habits play a bigger one. From childhood, kids eat vegetables, drink soup, and enjoy fish. Sugary cereals and processed snacks are rare. When your palate learns balance early, your body follows for life. 20. A society that moves together. In Japanese cities, you'll see groups of elderly citizens doing morning stretches in parks. School children walk long distances daily. Office workers join company sports days. This collective commitment to movement, even in small ways, keeps every generation active. It's not exercise culture. It's movement as identity. 21. Government and education support. Japan's government actively promotes healthy eating. School lunches are balanced by nutritionists, and children learn about food groups, portions, and manners early on. These programs create lifelong awareness, preventing bad habits before they begin. 22. Eating to nourish, not indulge. Japanese cuisine values subtle flavors, umami, not overload. Meals aren't drenched in cheese or sugar. They're designed to refresh and sustain. This focus on nourishment, rather than indulgence, keeps cravings in check naturally. 23. Clean environments, clean habits. There's a saying, clean space, clean mind. Japan's culture of cleanliness extends to kitchens, markets, and dining areas. When your environment is organized, your habits follow. Mindful surroundings often translate to mindful eating. 24. Food respect and gratitude. Before eating, Japanese people say itadakamasu, meaning I humbly receive. It's a moment of gratitude, recognizing the farmers, the cooks, and nature itself. This small act changes how food is perceived, not as a commodity, but as a gift. And when you're grateful, you're less likely to abuse excess. 25. Aging gracefully and staying active. In Japan, age doesn't mean slowing down. Elderly people walk, garden, and even practice martial arts well into their 80s. Activity is a lifelong habit, and metabolism never truly sleeps when the body keeps moving. 26. Food education and awareness. Children learn to identify food sources, nutrients, and cooking techniques early on. Schools even include shokiku, food education, as part of the curriculum. This early knowledge prevents confusion about what's healthy and helps families make informed choices every day. 27. Emotional balance and simplicity. Japanese philosophy embraces simplicity, from minimalism to Zen. A calm mind makes better food choices. Emotional eating is rare when peace is part of the culture. When life is lived intentionally, the body reflects that inner order. So why do Japanese people rarely gain weight? It's not magic. It's a masterpiece of mindful living. From portion control and fresh foods to gratitude and movement, every detail of daily life protects balance. In Japan, health isn't a challenge, it's culture. And maybe that's the lesson. When well-being is woven into the fabric of everyday life, staying slim isn't a struggle, it's simply who you are. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the world's most fascinating cultures. This is Tick World Chronicles, and until next time, live mindfully, eat gratefully, and stay balanced.